Hey, this is Dave Ferreira from your team at Fortified Realty Group. Happy New Year. Let's check out all the three families that have been selling. Hey, so the first one, 363 Columbia Street. This one sold in November. Nice looking place. 265 FHA financing. Very nice. Next up, 73 Woolley. 245,000 sold in November. Nice looking there. Look at that. Decent. Next up, 607 to 611 June Street. That was Jenny's. She owns that one. Very nice house. Nice area. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. I love the curve right here on the wall. Very, very nice. That one was 325. 300 is getting to be the norm in Fall River. This one, 34 Orchard, was all small units, all one bedroom, right? Very small units. That one still got 180. Sold fast too, a little over a month. Next up, 45 Goss Street, sold in November as well for $265. Only one photo on that one. Nice cash deal. Next up, 19 Lion Street. That one sold for $150,000 in November. That one, I think, was just a total mess. Won't qualify for FHA. Needs a lot of work. So that's kind of a fixer-upper. And Lion Street's kind of a tough area, too. 228 Haffords sold for $210 on November 26th. I think that's another fixer-upper as well. Owner's retiring. Kind of one of those deals. Nice sale, though. Next up, 45 Kellogg. I sold this one. Congratulations to my buyers. Wicked nice house. Great area. Did good on this one. 2-car garage. Very nice. That one sold for $340 November 30th. Next up, 82 Shawmut. That one went for $287.5 on November 30th. That's a very nice area. That house needs a little bit of work, but man, that's what I mean. $287.5 for a fixer-upper in Fall River. That's pretty good. Fall River's coming up, guys. Next up, 15 Oliver Street. This one went for $350 on November 30th as well. A lot of action in November. Mike Amaral sold this one. Nice looking house. Very nice. Good listing. Sold quick too. 18 days. Very nice. 64 Montop Street. Sold in 10 days for $215. That one, smaller building. Kind of a rough area. Needs a lot of work. Good deal for whoever bought it. 762 Glow. Ha! I sold this one too. Actually, I bought this one. Very nice. 220. Wait till you see when we're done with it. All right. This one needs a lot of work. We're going to clean it up and get it done. Very nice. Next up, 2335 South Main Street. This sold for $330. 3 units, good size units. This one went quick too, 13 days. Very nice inside. That's kind of my vision for Globe. So you can see a nice 3-family in the city now is in the mid-threes easily. 389, shout out to Ziad. This is a beautiful building. This one sold for $389. Amazing to get those kind of prices in Fall River. I'm very excited for our city right now. Very nice. Sold it fast too, month and a half. This one, 7 days on the market. Ken Mungeon had this one. I'm telling you, heck of a deal on this. Somebody stole this house. 3-family for $250. Needs a lot of work inside. Great area, huge lot. Bidding more on that one too. Very nice. Next up, East Main Street. This one is showing 3 units, but I guess one of them's a commercial unit. Only went for $62,000 though. What's the deal? Fire damage. That's what it is. So it's 2-family with a storefront with fire damage throughout. Still went for $62,000. Very, very good for the city. Next up, 60 Freedom Street. This one went for $360,000. Nice. You see what I mean? Like a nice 3-family in the city now. Goes in the mid-threes. I'm telling you, it's a new world in Fall River. Amazing, amazing time to be in the city. And the rents are there too, people. They're backing it up. 111 Division. I went to this house. Very nice. They redid the first floor. Great job, granite. That went for $295. 261 Kilburn, 348. 3-family. Very nice. Nice properties now in the city in the mid-threes all day. That's where the market's going. Next up, 45 to 47 Massasoit Street. This went for $280. Middle of the road, needs a little bit of updating. Decent area. 596 Slade Street. This one, 329. Again, a nice three family in the city, goes in the mid threes. Right? That's where the market is now. And the rents are there, people. 3 bedrooms go for $1,200 all day. 1364 Rodman, another example, right? 3 bedroom apartments, hardwood floors, 329.9. Sold December 31st. Next up, 546 2nd Street. This one was needed a little bit of work, but it went for $249 in January. That was on the market for a while too. 21 Tecumseh, $115,000. This was probably bank owned or some kind of disaster inside. Cash or rehab loan only. So need a lot of work. So $115 for a fixer upper. Probably a total gut at that price. 77 Morton. Congratulations, Tara. That one went fast. Not even 6 days on the market. 308 again, people. A nice three family goes in the threes now. That's the reality of Fall River. And last but not least, 69 Fulton Street. 3 families sold for $290. North end of the city. Nice looking place. All 3 bedroom units, decent size. Good deal for whoever got it.